In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jobber desktop request form. We'll walk through building a clear, actionable request so your team gets exactly what they need and your clients get fast, accurate service. Start by opening Jobber on your desktop. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and choose Requests. This is your home base for tracking incoming work. Next, select New Request to begin a fresh form. Give the request a short, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Then choose the client the work relates to. Picking the correct client ensures the request ties to the right profile, address, and communication history. You'll land in the request editor. In the overview area, review or add any essential details that frame the job at a glance. Then move into service details. Here, describe what needs to be done in clear everyday language. Include locations on site, access notes, materials to consider, and any deadlines. The more context you provide, the fewer back and forth questions later. If you have photos, add them under images of the work to be done. Pictures are incredibly useful for estimating time and materials and for preparing the right equipment. For an on-site assessment, open that section and use the plus sign to add an assessment. Add straightforward instructions for the visit. Then complete the schedule, assign the appropriate team members, and attach any checklists they should follow. Checklists keep everyone consistent and help capture the same data every time. If you bill for specific products or services, add them now so pricing and scope are clear from the start. Use the notes area for anything that doesn't fit elsewhere, such as parking tips or entry instructions that are appropriate to share. When everything looks accurate, choose Save Request. Your request is now created, organized, and ready for scheduling and follow-up.